My name's David Robertson. I've recently joined the Retopea team here at the Open University in the United Kingdom, where I'm involved in producing media assets as well as thinking about how we're going to distribute them on social media later. I think the biggest challenge ahead of us is what education is going to look like. Already in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic, education looks very different than it did when we started the project, and nobody's quite sure what it's going to look like in a year or 2 years' time. This is a major challenge for us in terms of how we produce our assets, and especially in involving school students in the discussions. On the other hand, though, it is an opportunity because there will be an increased demand for this kind of material for people who can't get into the classroom, and especially for material that focuses on collective action, peace and discussion. Is it far from Retopea to Utopia? I'm thinking of the United Nations, very much a utopian project that grew out of the fires of the first half of the 20th century. As the people who remember that time are beginning to die off, we may be in danger of forgetting how significant collective action was to rebuilding Europe in the 20th century, and we may be in danger of facing those consequences again if we forget our own history.